Okay, the first software I'm going to show you, this is our first training video. The first software or website I'm going to show you is Night Owl Plus. We just call it Night Owl usually. And thanks to my title company, I have access to this, and you have access to this. And I sent you the username and password in the email I sent you earlier. So after we go to this screen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pick up the farm, put it in Excel spreadsheets, and after that, show you how to kind of format it so that it's easier for you to do your calling. Okay, I have already created a farm for you. Let's go to farm export to pick it up. Okay, in this screen, we only have one farm export here. I created it yesterday, so the status is 8/28/2007. I created. I think the time is not exactly right, but the dates was right. This page refresh after 30 seconds, so don't be bothered by it, because this page is update itself every 30 seconds. It did a refresh on the server. So the description of it is 94619 phone. The reason I picked it is the first 5 digit is the zip code. Think of it as an area postal code, and it has 542 record. We're gonna click now. The first 100 records within the 542 in the database. So let me scroll down and let you have a taste of what it looks like. So you have the owner name, right? Kwong and Brian Wong, and site address, mailing address. In this case, the mailing address and the site address are the same, meaning I guess it means owner occupied, right? So it is a condominium. The phone number is important, right? That's how we're gonna get their phone number and call them. The Thomas Guide is like a map software, that type of things. 2 bedroom, three bathroom, built in year 1982, and square footage. Lot size, if it is a condominium, it means the whole lot for the whole condominium, not that this particular unit has 27,000 square feet and it has 16 units. Okay, so let me pick something a little bit more interesting here. Okay, let's look at this one. And this one, the site address and the mailing address is different. That means that the owner doesn't live in the address. It's an absentee owner. He might have rented to a tenant, or he might have bought it for his relative and let his mom live there, that type of things. But everything else look probably the same. So the site address is where the property is located in, and the mailing address is where the owner lives. And let's go back to the top. We want to pick up your farm export database, name.xls, and we click here. What it does is it will save all this information to an Excel spreadsheets, and we can do automating there. Okay, Excel spreadsheet open. There's a couple of fields we don't care, and a couple of fields we do. So let's get rid of the field that we don't care. Like we do care about the owner's name, right? And the property address we do care. The mailing address, I actually don't care so much. Let's keep it anyways. Most of them is the same as the site address anyways, but let's don't use code. Yeah, maybe not, so we keep it anyways. So from zoning, tax rate, all that stuff, we can pretty much delete up till we see phone number, which I think is by in this case, and we delete everything before this, and I guess we can delete everything after that. So all we have is the owner's name. Let me go that. The owner's name, the street address, the mailing address, and at the end the phone number. Okay, so far. And once you have this, you can start using the script I sent you and start calling. And that would conclude our first training sessions.